Hello everyone. In this session, we are discuss about functions of entrepreneur and characteristics of entrepreneurship. Now, see the functions of an entrepreneur. First point, innovation. An entrepreneur is basically an innovator. He introduces new combinations of means of production. He must introduce new product or brings change in the existing products. Customers are satisfied with new products or new features in the existing products. Innovation is also necessary to solve the problems that arise in the business. Next point, determination of objectives. An entrepreneur has to determine the aims and objectives of the business. There may be difference between primary and secondary objectives of the enterprise. He can change these objectives as per the market situations. Next, development of market. The entrepreneur has to find out different ways for marketing the products and services of his enterprise. He can conduct survey or research to understand the customer's demand. When the markets are developed constantly, the demand of the customers will increases. Next, new technology. In global world, every day there is an invention of new technology. Introduction of new technology will always result in growth of business, that is new machinery, advanced technology, new and scientific methods of production, etc. Next, good relation. It is necessary to maintain healthy working at atmosphere in the organization. It depends upon the efficient relation between subordinates and superiors. Coordination among the employees is the key of success. Next, organizing funds. Entrepreneur needs to find out different financial resources because adequate and continuous finance is always necessary for the business. Good and honest relationship with the investors is necessary for every business organization. Next, taking decisions. An entrepreneur has to take wise decision for his enterprise. Timely and correct decisions are also important and necessary for a proper business plan. He should always consider the pros and cons before taking any business decision. Now, see the entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity of an individual or a group associated individuals undertaken to initiative, maintain and organize profit by production and distribution of economic goods and services. Now, see the characteristics of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a process of setting up a new business organization. It is the process where one decides to build a business career by finding the market options and mobilize the valuable resources. First point, innovation. Entrepreneurship is an innovation. The introduction of new combination of various factors of production is innovation. A new products arise in the market, uses new product technology, discovers new sources of supply of raw materials, and opens a new market for the specific product. In view of changing tastes of customers from time to time, entrepreneurship focuses on the researches and development to product goods to satisfy the customers. Next, economic activity. An entrepreneur products a new product for the customers as per their needs, demands. He feels the need of this to satisfy human wants and as well in exchange earn a better livelihood. It is a systematically planned activity as per the skills and knowledge of entrepreneur. Hence, entrepreneurship is an economic activity. Next, organization building. It is an activity where various factors of production have to be organized. Place utility, time utility, firm utility, etc. has to be considered to collect them under one roof of new production. Next, creative activity. Innovation should have a strong support of creativity. Introducing creativity in producing something new is a big challenge for the entrepreneur. Thus, activities and creativity is an essential part of entrepreneurship. Next, managerial skill and leadership. A person who wants to be a successful entrepreneur should have more position of doing something new than just earning profit. Leadership and managerial skills are the most important facts of entrepreneurship. Other skills can be considered secondary. An entrepreneur must have the ability of lead and manage. Next, skillful management. The success of any entrepreneurship depends on the management of the organization. With professional management and skilled managers, entrepreneurship becomes successful activity. Next, risk bearing. Uncertainty is defined as a risk which can not be insured against and is incalculable. Entrepreneur is an agent who buys factors of production at certain prices in order to combine them into a product to sell them to uncertain prices in future. Thus, they too are risk bearing agents in production. Next, gap filling function. The most significant features of entrepreneurship is gap filling. It is the entrepreneur's job to fill the gap or make up the deficiencies which always exist in the knowledge about the production function. Thank you.